Yeah, hi, this is Abetikutu and this is closure sewing, no glue. For the curly hair, you need this, and you need this, and you need serum. This one we mix with a little bit leave conditioner. You see how it's so liquid? You don't make it thick. If you make thick, your curly hair will be stiff, will not flowing. So let me show you how to comb curly hair. If you curl the curly hair like this, it will get stuck. So you spray like this. Yeah, don't spray close. Like this. And you hold your brush vertical. You see? So if you hold your brush vertical, you don't need to say, okay, you need to come from the end. No. Just like this. You see? You spray, you hold your brush vertical. Yes, it's vertical. You see, so stylish is mathematician. So like this. See, after you comb it like this, you use your this spray like serum polish, and you don't use the product oil and just do like this. You make sure you do like this because you don't want to put too much oil on customer hair. So you do like this, and you put your hand through like that, like that. Yeah. Now you can do hair without use the scissor. And if you want to cut the curly hair, my secret is I always take the keeper off. I don't know. So when I take the clip off, it's, hey, mommy, you are so sexy. When I grow up, I will be like you. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, I use the scissor oblique, so it's not, it's how I cut my hair, the curly hair. Yeah, I don't use like this. And the front, I give the face frame like this. As you see, it's too flat. So when it's too flat like this, doesn't look white. So I need to give the volume in this area so we can have the balance. Yeah. This area I need to use 45 degree. This area I need to use 99 degree. See? So, Mommy, you want it longer or you want it short? You go short. And here I use the scissor, but I use razor technique because here is a blade. So don't cut like this. I use a razor technique. For curly hair, I prefer to use scissor and use razor technique than use blade, because when you use the blade, it looks frizzy. So don't let anyone use glue for your closure. That one is Napoleon time. With Albertine, your hair needs to look beautiful and healthy. I love you guys. Finally look. Mommy, do you like the hair?
Yeah. Can I, when I finish, can I get a little bit more deeper curve?
Deep curl? Okay. Yeah. It's closure sewing. We use 3 bundle, 10 inch, 12 inch, and 14 inch. and we shape it. Mommy, do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You like to shake it for me? Shake it, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Thank you, mommy.